we got it on a deal and that was a steal. Wait, that kind of sounds like a rap. What? I don't get it. Okay.
Hello, hello, can you hear me as I scream your name? Hello, hello.
Hey guys, it's a girl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And also, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you don't miss any more of these holy special videos or any other videos, like some special videos. Like I'm making episodes of them, so yeah, make sure to stay tuned for those videos. So yeah, and also make sure to like the video and share the video. Like it really helps me a lot. So today we're unboxing like a package. Duh, I'm not gonna say it to you, but it is actually a bag. But like the packaging is like really funny. Like the packaging is really funny and like yeah. Why does it look like this? Like, please, okay, Amazon, please just don't like put it like in like that. Like make sure to keep it in a box and then cut it and then like make it look like nice. I don't really know how to explain because I don't know what the Amazon company do. But yeah, the packaging is kind of funny and like it looks wonky. Like very wonky. Okay, try not to cut the bag. Oh my god, I just felt like I did it. Oh my freaking god. Okay, now that's a very thick packaging there, Amazon. So, oh my lord.
Few moments later.
So yeah, this is a backpack. It's by Safari. Wait, yeah, okay. It's a backpack. Like you could like use it for like use for traveling. Like okay, I'm kind of forgetting words here, but yeah. This is a backpack. I really like the color of it. It's kind of teal, the darkish color. So yeah, let's move on to the highlights of this product or like the details about this product. So yeah, let's move on about the product.
Hey!
Okay, this is from a brand called Safari or Made, I should say. So technically, there are two compartments. The first compartment is here. Of course, there's a zip, but but there are actually two compartments. The zipper quality is really good. So yeah, it's really amazing. It has a capacity of 15 liters. So yeah. It is lightweight, which means like okay, like don't put too much stuff in it. I keep too much stuff like in my school bags, so yeah, like it hurt my shoulders a lot. And also make sure to don't do that if you're in like a younger grade like me. So you can use this for school, like colleges. If you're in college, I like recommend you to use this, and also short travel. Not like long because like you can't fit everything in here. Obviously, you need like a suitcase. Let's move on to the next highlights of this product. So yeah, let's move on to the next highlights of this product. Let's move on. So you can basically put small things in this like bag. Sorry, I was about to say lunch bag. I don't know why I said it like that, but okay. You can easily throw in like your notebook, your iPad, your car keys. Make sure to don't lose them though. Like please don't. And like phones, like anything, like small, but only like items except for water bottle and lunch bag. So yeah, let's go to the next highlights of this product. Highlights of this product. It is very compact in size. If you're wondering how I'm holding it, you will see doing this. So yeah, it looks like I'm making the bag float, even though I'm not making it float. But let's move on to the next highlights of this product. The outer material is polyester. It comes with an 80 months warranty. It comes with an 80 months warranty. 18, not 80. So 18. The country of origin who made this originally is China. I mean, I don't really mind this backpack. Like, it's cool and all. Let's go to the next highlight of the product. Highlights of this product. Overall, this is a cool backpack. Was I speaking in high pitch? This is available in a very good deal. So yeah, if you want to get this bag, you could like get it in the description. So yeah, it'll be linked in the description, and then you could just like grab it and you like, thanks for this backpack, and then you could use it for anything. I love this item now. So this is available on a very good deal, and if you want to get this so bad, like so bad, it's linked in the description. And it's a link in the description. Like the link will be there, and you'll get to grab it. You'll get to grab it. Oh guys, we came to the end of the video. Well, I really enjoyed making this video. Like, it was so fast to make and very enjoyable to make. Like, yeah. So I hope you guys really enjoy these holy special videos. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Wait. Yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit the bell, ding, and then you'll get to see more of my videos. Bye! Hope you guys have a fantastically holy day. If you're like outsider, like not in India, make sure to have an amazing day. Like, I didn't forget about you, okay? I didn't.